Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Cycle Aura in AuraCraft. The Cycle Aura is a really cool and special item that many players want for its unique look. It's important to know that you won't find a crafting recipe for this one by mixing elements. Instead, you'll need to visit a particular shop in the game to add it to your collection. Let's dive into the details of how you can acquire this awesome aura for yourself. To get your hands on the Cycle Aura, you'll need to head over to the Rare Auras shop. This is where you'll spend your hard-earned in-game coins for a chance to unlock it. You can buy 1 roll for 20 coins, 3 rolls for 50 coins, or 10 rolls for 100 coins. Each roll gives you an 18% chance of successfully acquiring the Cycle Aura, so keep trying if it doesn't appear right away. Since coins are crucial for getting the Cycle Aura, let's talk about how to earn them. One straightforward way is by claiming your daily rewards in AuraCraft. Additionally, a fantastic method to gather more coins is by actively crafting other auras. Every time you successfully combine elements to create a new aura, you'll receive coins. So, keep experimenting with different combinations to build up your coin stash and increase your chances of rolling for Cycle. Congratulations on getting your Cycle Aura. Now that you have it, you can equip it to give your character a cool, distinct look. But its utility doesn't stop there. Cycle is also a key ingredient for crafting even more unique auras. For example, combining Cycle with the Sad Aura will create the Joy Aura. You can also merge Cycle with the Wealth Aura to craft the Brokey Aura. Feel free to experiment and discover other exciting combinations with your new Cycle Aura.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.